guys, we're at Fonainebleau doing our meetup today, and I think by this immaculate Citroen DS, which you would have seen in our earlier videos. So I think some people have arrived already, so we're going up to the new food court, and I'll see you up there.
See you there. I'm in Fonainebleau with Keno Candy. Hi! We're gonna play some Dragon Link. Wish me luck. Well, that was the first spin. 6 free games. Just let it do its thing. Something good, come on. Oh, what? Oh, that's all right, 15.30. 1950 bonus. Do I even keep playing?
Okay, I'm in Fonainebleau. I'm gonna try this gold doubloon jackpots. We're gonna do $1, and we're gonna do max bet, and we're gonna find the volume, get that right up. See if we hit anything. Do it. 6. Do it. Do it. Ah. This could be real short and sweet. That's it. Now and ever. 5 lines. Do it. Well, there we go. All done.
Thank you for playing.
Hi guys, we're with the Kenos.
Hey guys.
Hey, we're at Lala Noodle. I'm excited. Never been here.
Very excited, yeah.
Your choice, Lance.
Yeah. I should shout out our subscribers, Tracy and Paul, who bumped into us at Vidara, who actually suggested this and recommended it.
Oh yeah.
I had been wanting to try it for a long time anyway, so shout out to those guys. Hi to the Kenos.
We're here.
We're here.
Bubba's got everything he needs. Yeah, we're outside on the patio. It's really nice.
It's really nice out here.
Good times. I'll be back with you when we get some food. We've got the drunken beef noodles. We've got the XO udon.
What was that?
Oxtail fried rice.
And garlic.
Garlic shrimp fried rice. Look at it.
I'm ready.
Time to, yeah, let's eat. The verdict.
Yummy.
The aftermath.
Tasty.
Delicious.
All right, Bubba's asleep. And I am heading back down to the gaming floor. And beyond. Not sure where yet. Okay, New York, New York. That's a $127 mystery jackpot on Food Outlet. I will put money into this machine and then play, I don't know. Let me get some cash in there. I'll come back to you and let you know what's going on. Nice. All right, happy times. I got 120 bucks into the machine. I'm feeling a 288 bet. We'll have a few spins on here. See what sort of vibes I get from it, you know? What's that? That's $6, $6.16. And yeah, maybe I'll stick with it, maybe I'll cash out. Anyway, I'll come back if I hit anything. A little bit. Alright, well I played it a while, a little bit of up and down, but I'm not feeling it. I'll find something else. Right. The $25,000 pyramid. Let's do 25 cents because I'm running out of money. 10 lines max bet and see if anything happens. I don't know. Haven't played this before. I assume I need pyramids. There's a pyramid. Do it. Go on. Played 250. Where's the volume? Jesus. Who turns this shit down? I mean, you're never going to win if you turn it down, right? 125 for the cherries. I would like to see the pyramids. Keeps teasing. Alright, I'll come back. Oh, I wasn't feeling the pyramid. Then I got a line hit, which is two times the cherries and the bars. Back up to 60. Do I do a couple more spins? I suppose so. I was going to cash out. Or run out, I suppose, of money. I'll have a few more spins, why not? It's proved it can pay me something. Maybe it'll pay me more. I'd like to see this bonus, you know? I feel like I won't see it. Prove me wrong. Come on with the pyramids. Yes, no. What's that, 250 for what? Oh, triple bars, alright. Not happening, is it? Double cherries, what's that? $5. With the pyramids, come on. Doesn't want to pay me $25,000, I don't understand it. Alright, that's it, I'm out. I will find something else. And oh my god, look at this. All of that play. I didn't notice that. That's almost worse than losing. Chin up, on to the next one. Okay, $30 left. And I'm going to be as reckless as to play Colossal Diamonds. 6 spins. See if I hit anything. Second I'm up. Anything more than 30, I'm out. Well, that's more than 30, isn't it? It is. Look, it paid off. Get the hell out of this machine before it rinses me, you know? I'm happy with that. Slowly clawing back. See you on the next one. MGM Grand. I'm going to play this Money Moon game. Haven't played it before. Whoever cashed out before cashed out a fair bit. And, I don't know. I'll put some money in and see what happens. Back with you in a minute. Alright, got 100 in. 150 is the max bet. Let's see if we hit anything. 3 games apparently will award up to 30 free games. So we'll see. Huh, what's that? That's the thing apparently. Okay. See if I hit these 3 games. I want to see the 3 games. That's all anyone wants to see in it, the 3 games. See a bit there, what's that? Not a lot. Bit though. 3 games. Oh, do it. Oh, got it. How about that? You saw it live. So what do I want? $7 10 at 3 times, 15 at 2 times, and 30. 30 at 1 time, I mean... I get in the middle, I guess. Okay, what we got? Here we go. Nothing. I'm down to 11. Do it, re-trigger. Obviously, I'm expecting a massive fucking win off of this. Like, really big, you know? Way bigger than the $7.5 that I can see there now. This will be good. It's gonna be good. Think positive. Wonder if it'll re-trigger. I've got 6 to go. The coin things are good. Those, oh, yeah, it's gone now, but you know, you saw it. You saw it. That's my last spin.
Congratulations!
Okay. Okay. Technically, I'm up. I'll do 1 spin. It's these things. Or these things? I don't know. What is it that paid me? Bloody hell, that's better than the bonus, isn't it? Nearly. I'll spin it again. Maybe it wants to pay. Spin it again. So, I don't want to do 30 cents. And I'm getting out. Right. Thank you, Money Moon. On to the next one. Right, platinum jackpot. Let's see if we can win anything.
Chance.
Oh. What is that?
One more for the
Good.
bonus.
Good. 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 Jesus Christ. First spin. Or second spin.
Bonus. Look out! Platinum prize selection. Now each platinum pays special platinum prize. Starting platinum prize selection. You got 5 platinum, which award 1 platinum prize selection. 1 selection remaining. Start!
Go.
Minor jackpot win!
Huh.
You have won minor jackpot. Platinum prize selection starts again. Start! This is the platinum prize to be awarded each time 1 platinum appears during the free games. Free games start!
Okay. I don't know what's going on.
You won 1 platinum!
Okay. 7 spins. Each one is 150.
2 more for the bonus!
Come on. 2 more. Go on. 1 there. 2 there. Oh, you wanker. 2 more. Come on. Not gonna do it, is it? 2 more. There they are. They left.
You won 3 platinum.
There were 3 of them. 450. Okay. I think we're still going. 2 of 7. This is good.
You won 2 platinum.
Another $3. 4 spins to go. What else have we got? 7s. There's gotta be something. Yep, it's more. There. One more. Go on, one more. Be nice. Stop. I won't with it. Go on, stop. Ah, I did it. Another 5 free games. Well, good times. This is fun, isn't it? I've got... Yeah, hello.
Bonus re-triggered.
Re-trigger.
Look out.
Look up.
Prize selection.
I'll get this again.
Each platinum pays special platinum prize, starting extra platinum prize selection.
Okay.
You got 5 platinum, which award 1 platinum prize selection.
Okay.
1 selection remaining.
Okay. 605, please. Go on. 10 up. That's alright. Go. Yay.
Platinum prize added.
Oh, I see. So now every...
Platinum prize to be awarded each time 1 platinum appears during the free game.
Oh, no way. So if I hit another one of those bonus symbols.
Game start.
How many games have I got left? 6 to go. Oh, there you
You
go.
won 1 platinum.
So every one of those is 1150. Oh, loads of them then, please. Just a screen full of those. Oh, it won't. Oh, 3 of
You
them.
won 3 platinum.
Yeah, that's all right. 5 spins to go. And the bars. That's all right. Do that a couple more times. Got the bars again. A little bit there. There's $1. Come on with the platinum. Yeah.
You won 1 platinum.
3 more spins. Need 1 more screen with loads of them and it's good. Come on. Loads of... Yeah, that's all
You
right.
won 2 platinum.
Couple more.
You won 1 platinum.
Yeah, 1 more spin. Come on. 5 would be good. I got 5 of a kind. A little bit more as well. Right.
You won 1 platinum.
1 platinum plus the 7s. I mean, honestly, that is slots for you. Nothing, and then sit down at a game where I expect to lose my last $20, and I hit 175, which just means I just start again. How good is that? On to the next one. Good times. Alright guys, it's bedtime. Just went to Panda Express, got myself some orange chicken, broccoli beef, and some chow mein. For some reason I'm still hungry. Well, I mean, it was quite a long time ago I ate, I suppose. So maybe not still hungry, maybe I'm newly hungry. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow. A little bit, not really sure where I'm at. I think I'm back up. I'm still clawing up, but like $40 at a time or something. Still leaves me a good $1,000 or so down. But that's Vegas, you know. It only takes one spin. So just keep playing. See you in the morning. Right guys, handing back to the room. I got my Panda Express orange chicken, broccoli beef, and some chow mein because I'm hungry again. But I'll meet up today, so shout out to David, Sharon, Meg, and Chris, and the Kenos, BJ and Candy. Good day, good day. Not sure where I'm at because I sort of lost track of money for a bit. By the end of the night, I was thinking I might be at $40. Might be lying to myself. I might be down 200. So, I mean, who cares at this point? You know, it's Vegas. Gonna head back and see my little baby boy and my wife and eat my orange chicken. So I will see you in the morning. That's us.
Happy New Year's Eve, guys.
Hello. Bubba's sleeping.
Baby's sleeping. Can't take a stroller, so we've got him strapped.
I'm wearing him.
We're gonna head to New York now and play some high limit games.
High limit?
See if we can bring in the
Somebody's
big
gonna win all my money back. Time to win all my money back.
Let the chaos begin. For kids? It was cute.
Look at this. Hershey's Piggy Bank.
Oh, that's cute.
Keep all of your funds, your tiny little baby funds.
All £15. Oh, this is a good one. That'll fit all your teeth. $14.95. Baby Kit Kat. Oh, they got loads of them. Oh, there you go. Love and kisses. Well, that one is a little Jolly Rancher with his little cowboy boots on. What's this one? There we go, Jolly Rancher. Bottles. These are really soft. So sweet. Teddy bears. They're really sweet. Play set. And bibs. High limit.
This is where it's at.
Right, here we go. Huff and more puff in high limit in New York, New York. Finally got on the machine. Here we go, $200 in, $7.50 a spin. See how we do. Oh, that would have been a good screen if it had lined up on the first line. Damn it. There we go. Got the wheel feature. Awesome. Let's go. Something good. Okay. Let's do this. Fill the screen, come on. That would be good. More hats, 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 hats. Come on, hats. Let's get some mansions. Nice. Few more extra spins. Oh, we got at least one mansion. Awesome. More hats. Little line hit as well. One more spin. More hats. Come on, hats, hats, hats. There we go. Okay. Let's see what we got. Come on, Wolf. Make the trip. Make it a good New Year's. Something good. What is it? Mini. Oh, I got 100. Yay. Cool. I'm pretty happy with that. Should we hit the button? 226 win. That is awesome. 137 up. Nice.
Hello.
Hey, checking in again. Where are we going? We're going Luxor now.
We're going to Luxor now. There's no strollers on the strip and it's cold, and we're going to watch the fireworks tomorrow in any case. So, we're going to head up to Mandalay, I think,
Yeah.
and then make our way back,
Yeah.
and then maybe go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Emily won some money earlier, which is good.
Yeah.
A small dent in our grand that we need to recoup.
Yeah. So
Good work, good work.
Try and do it again.
Bit by bit, it's fine.
You'll see.
See you then. Okay, heading out. Maybe is going down for a little nap with Emily. It's about 9 o'clock in the evening. Gonna head back to Mandalay, see if we get anything, see if we win a bit more money. Then maybe I'll go the other direction, but I will be back in the room for midnight. So I don't know what we're gonna play there. I will show you in a minute when I decide. Mandalay Bay, 777s, hot ice. Let's see, I'll get 100 in it and see what happens. Okay, volume up, brightness up. I think it's $5 max spin on $1. Let's see what we hit. Anything to do. I will come back if I hit anything at all. Okay, just hit that for $76. Couple more spins, I think. See if we hit anything else. We did. 121. I might cash out. Okay, I'm back in Mandalay Bay and I'm going to have a go on this Wheel of Fortune double gold. 25 cents. Maybe I'll do 5 or 10 credits. I'll work it out in a minute and I'll let you know if I hit anything. Get everything right up. See you in a minute. Okay, first spin. I did do 10 lines. And I won $40. So I only put 50 in. So that gives us some ammunition. Let's see if we can hit anything else. Little bits. Look at something big. Spin. Gold spin. Anyway, I'll play it down a bit. I'll let you know if I hit anything. $1. Do it. Alright, I'll keep going. Alright, kept me going a while. Down to 40, so I'm 10 down. I think I will move on. See you on the next one. Now I'm in Luxor. Gonna play my big money Burstein Martin. What is it? 2 cents an arm. Minimum bet. See if I hit anything. Win some money back. Land it. It won't. Oh, it did. Again. Do it. Wow. $2. That's okay. I will keep going. Okay. I haven't played much Moolah. Every time I see one I want to play, someone is already playing it. But this one is in the Luxor. This is one I feel good about. So, let's see if I can hit anything. I win some money back. I will see if I get a bonus.
That one's actually
We've just watched the fireworks from the 27th floor of Excalibur. And we'll show you the videos.
Best
Anyway,
thing
you'll see the videos, but
ever.
wow. And that was baby murmuring. It's like you can hear the crowd roaring. There's stuff going off like in every direction. You can see the countdowns and that was the best one.
Oh, there's a helicopter.
Helicopters are basically flying through the window. It's amazing.
It's all going
So,
on.
cheers. We've got our bubbly in a little plastic cup in the room, and we're loving life.
Happy New Year.
And another helicopter trying to fly into our room. Have a good one, guys.
Bye. Can you guys see all the people crossing the road? Look at all the traffic about to come towards them.
It's just mobs of people just.
They're just piling out of New York, straight out into the motorway.
Jaywalking at its finest. Look, all the traffic has stopped because there's a mob of people in the road.
And that's a big plastic barrier that goes like all the way down the road.
At least the traffic's stopping for them now. Earlier they were just ploughing into them. Well, obviously not into them, but you know.
But like the road that they're crossing onto, right? This on our side, that's still open to traffic too. Like there's still cars coming from that direction.
Oh, what a crazy time to drive.